You want to travel to Italy and you have only 1 week and you're figuring out what to do, where to go, what to eat, things to see. Don't you worry, this is the video for you. Welcome to Tripoto's travel guide for Italy. This video is going to tell you what are the best things you can do in 7 days. And we're also going to give you some budget info, so keep watching till the end. तो अब बात करते हैं अबाउट वीजा। इटली जाने के लिए आपको चाहिए एक वैलिड शेंगन वीजा जो आप VFS के थ्रू अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। इंश्योर यू हैव योर टू एंड फ्रो फ्लाइट टिकट्स इन प्लेस, होटल रिजर्वेशंस एंड योर लास्ट 3 months बैंक स्टेटमेंट्स। तो अब आते हैं फ्लाइट्स पे। इटली जाने के लिए इंडिया से बहुत सारे फ्लाइट ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है विद डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड लेओवर फ्लाइट्स फ्रॉम बेंगलुरु, हैदराबाद, चेन्नई एंड मुंबई। अ प्रो टिप, try to book 3 to 4 months in advance to get some good deals on your tickets. So इस Italian holiday पे मेरी itinerary में था 2 days in Milan, 3 days in Cinque Terre, 2 days in Florence and 1 day in Lake Como. And now it's time to take you through my Italian trip and this is how it went. After an 8-hour long flight, मैं पहुंची Milan at around 6:30 in the evening local time. I checked into a hotel near the train station because अगले दिन मुझे लेनी थी train for my first destination. Welcome to Cinque Terre, lying in the northern west part of Italy, also known as the Italian Riviera. यहाँ 5 villages हैं: Monteresso, Vernazza, Manarola, Corniglia and Rio Maggiore. और आप इनमें से किसी भी 5 villages में रह के बाकी के villages आसानी से explore कर सकते हो। I chose to stay at Monteresso because यहाँ मिलान से आप एक डायरेक्ट ट्रेन से आ सकते हो and the distance is only about 3 hours. And here are a few things I recommend you can do while you're staying at Monteresso. First, stay like the locals in a cute little Airbnb or a homestay. In the caption are details of the homestay that I stayed in. Take the 5 Terre Express pass that allows you to roam across all the 5 villages. And they all are so close to each other, literally 10 minutes away, so you can explore all the villages together in 1 day. There are many options for eating out in Monteresso, so do enjoy the pizzas and the gelatos and sangrias. Pro tip, if you want to save some money, you can also choose to stay at La Spezia, which is a city close to Cinque Terre and has direct connectivity from Milan. Cinque Terre के बाद I headed to my next destination, the city of iconic landmarks, Florence. We're in Florence, the land of art, architecture, and stunning corners literally everywhere. After a smooth train ride, I reached Florence and checked into a cute little Airbnb, जिसके details caption में available हैं. I spent my 2 days in Florence, walking around the city, seeing the iconic landmarks of Duomos, cathedrals, churches, and eating a lot of good food. अगर आप Florence जा रहे हैं, so you cannot miss 2 of the most iconic experiences. First, having wine from a wine window. फ्लोरेंस के कुछ जगहों पे यूनिक एंड विंटेज वाइन विंडोज हैं जहां पे आप एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वे में वाइन ले सकते हो. Details of these wine windows are available in the caption. And secondly, in the evening, don't forget to go to the Piazza Michelangelo to see the best sunset of your life. यहाँ पे आप एक हिल टॉप से एक ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट देख सकते हो overlooking the iconic city of Florence. But do remember, this is a super overcrowded place, so try and reach there way before 6 o'clock to find a spot for yourself. Florence में 2 दिन बिताने के बाद आप वापस आ सकते हो back to Milan. Here's a tip. Always try to book a hotel in Milan near the railway station because a lot of places you will explore from Milan will be from train. So you'll save up on a lot of costs involving taxis and buses. So मैं 2 दिन बाद वापस आई Milan, but not to see Milan yet, but to go to the most popular place in Italy, Lake Como. Lake Como इटली की 3rd largest lake है and is known for its crystal waters and the dramatic scenery set across the mighty Alps. इसको सराउंड करते हैं कुछ छोटे-छोटे villages जहां से आप Lake Como की beautiful scenery enjoy कर सकते हो. You can take a day trip from Milan to Lake Como very easily via a train that you can catch from Milan Central that runs from Milan to a village called Verena Iseno. Lake Como में बहुत सारे villas हैं जहाँ पे आप actually रह सकते हो or you can take paid tours to go around the villa. These villas are where the rich and famous live and have got married. I chose to go to the Villa Monastero in Verena. दिस इज एन आइकॉनिक एंड ब्यूटीफुल विला जो शायद आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत देखा होगा। इस विला में जाने के लिए आप ऑनलाइन बुकिंग कर सकते हो और यू कैन बुक अ टिकट एट द विला, बट वी वुड रेकमेंड यू रीच देयर अर्ली बिकॉज यहाँ बहुत लंबा क्यू लग जाता है। मेरी तरह वरेना एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद आप भी एक फेरी पकड़ के जा सकते हो लेक कोमो के सबसे पॉपुलर विलेज में बेलाजियो। बेलाजियो के व्यूज एकदम सरियल है और यहाँ पे आफ्टर वॉकिंग थ्रू एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग द शॉप्स एंड द प्लेसेस अराउंड, I stopped by at an Italian restaurant for some amazing pasta and tiramisu, जिसके details caption में हैं। So after an entire day of walking, exploring and ferry hopping, it was time to go back to Milan, and you can easily go back to Milan by taking a train back from Verona to Milan Central. Today we're in Milan, one of the busiest cities of Italy, also home to so many fashion brands and stunning pockets of architecture. मिलान में लास्ट डे बिताया मैंने via a walking tour exploring the iconic places of the city like churches, the Duomo, the cathedrals, a age-old vintage university and so much more. I will highly recommend you to take walking tours in cities like Europe because यहाँ पे आप iconic landmarks को देख सकते हो while walking. You can get to know some history, some facts, anecdotes and also meet people from across the world. इस एक्सपीरियंस के लिए मैंने चूज किया गुरु वॉक, जिनकी ऐप पे आपको मिल सकते हैं बहुत सारे टूर्स हैपनिंग अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, जिसके डिटेल्स मैंने कैप्शन में डाले। और अब आते हैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट पे, बजट। इटली की इस ट्रिप के लिए आपका अप्रॉक्सीमेट बजट होगा कुछ इस तरह। रिटर्न फ्लाइट टिकट्स आपको कॉस्ट करेंगी between 55,000 to 60,000 per person. Your visa fees will be 8,000 INR. The hotel stay per night will cost you around 4 to 5K for a budget hotel and around 10 to 12K for a mid hotel. Milan to Cinque Terre के train cost is around 3,000 INR. The Cinque Terre Express, through which you can explore all the 5 villages, costs you around 1,800 INR. From Cinque Terre to Florence, the train budget will be around 3,600 INR. Florence to Milan की train ticket आपको cost करेगी 6,800 INR. Milan to Lake Como की day trip की ticket है around 1,000 rupees, and your airport transfers will cost you somewhere around 1,200 INR. और अब आते हैं कुछ bonus tips पे. So take your pen and paper out because you really want to know this. Trains are the best way to explore around Italy, but make sure you buy your tickets from the official website or from the train stations itself, and do ensure कि जब आप local train tickets ले रहे हैं, you validate them before entering the train, otherwise you will be charged a penalty. Famous attractions like inside of museums are booked way prior in Italy. So ensure करना कि अगर आपको किसी म्यूजियम के अंदर जाना है, आप बहुत पहले उसकी bookings कर लें because it's difficult that you may get a ticket real time. In Italy, eating out can be expensive. If you take away food, it is less expensive as compared to eating inside a restaurant, so do keep that in mind. Pickpocketing across Europe is very common, so always be careful of your belongings, especially in tourist spots, in metros and buses. With this, we've come to the end of your travel guide to Italy with Tripoto. I hope this video was helpful and will help you plan your next trip to Italy. अगर आपको और भी कुछ questions है, do put them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow and explore across the world.